Hey everybody, how's it going? For a long time now, I've wanted to find this car and make a video on it. Today I'm able to do so. Here I bring you a 1990 Cadillac Brougham. I'm at All City Auto Sales in Indian Trail, North Carolina. This is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Brougham. Start it up, show the engine. So I'll show a few features on the interior as well as exterior. And I'm going to go ahead and apologize. It's just a tad windy today and there's a little bit of highway background noise, so I'll try to film whenever it's not quite so bad. But without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up and let it run. This is probably one of my favorite cars of all time. It's in fantastic shape too. It's got 95,388 miles. If you notice, the warning lights are actually hidden behind the wood grain panel. A couple pats. Gotta love it. Very fluid steering wheel. Alright, let's go ahead and count on the headlights as well as the hazards. And we'll check out the exterior. Beautiful chrome. Got the chrome strip that runs along the side of the body. And we'll pop the hood. It's a 5-liter V8. Everything, windows, locks, mirrors. very fluffy carpet. Cadillac logo embroidered in the back of the seat. Alright, let's see how it sounds. V8 just rocks the whole car. Love it. For your power mirrors, the left one is located on the door. The right one is located here. Electronic climate control. And you got your defrost, outside temperature. Not bad. Alright, we'll go ahead and shut her down. Back seats are in great shape. Extremely plush. There's so much room back here. It's quite amazing. Fuel cap. Absolutely huge trunk. You just don't see them like this anymore. good shape. Trunk release here as well. All the books and records. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the in-depth tour of Cadillac Brougham. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.